Tired of constant pumping while spraying your garden? Manual sprayers leave your arms sore and exhausted. Running out of battery halfway through big jobs? Refilling and recharging wastes precious time. Straps digging into your shoulders after just minutes? Uncomfortable gear makes every task feel longer. Spray patterns never quite right for your needs? One nozzle can't handle all your garden chores? Leaks and clogs ruining your spraying routine? Cleaning up messes takes more time than spraying. Meet the PetraTools HD4000 battery-powered backpack sprayer. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. No more pumping, just press and spray for hours. Powerful 12 V8 AH battery lasts 6 to 8 hours non-stop. Spray over 200 gallons on a single charge. Double padded straps and back pad for true comfort. Wear it for hours. No more sore shoulders. Adjustable pressure from 40 to 90 psi. 6 versatile nozzles for every spraying task. Switch from gentle mist to strong stream instantly. HD extendable wand reaches farther with less effort. Wide mouth lid makes filling and cleaning a breeze. Translucent tank with gallon marker tracks liquid easily. Screen filter prevents clogs. No more frustrating blockages. Heavy-duty build ensures leak-free operation every time. All essentials included: battery, charger, wand, and more. Before, pumping, refilling, and aching arms. After, effortless spraying, all-day comfort and control. Before, one nozzle, limited spray options. After, 6 nozzles, perfect spray for every job. Before, short battery life, constant interruptions. After, 6 to 8 hours of continuous, reliable performance. Before, straps cut into your shoulders. After, double padded support for maximum comfort. Before, messy spills and hard-to-clean tanks. After, wide-mouth lid for fast, easy maintenance. Before, leaks and clogs disrupt your work. After, leak-free, clog-free operation every time. American family-owned company since 2019. 24/7 USA support for complete peace of mind. Trusted by gardeners, farmers, and landscapers nationwide. Perfect for large lawns, gardens, farms, and more. Built tough to handle any spraying challenge. Squeeze handle with locking feature reduces fatigue. 4-foot hose gives you extra reach for big areas. Includes measuring cup, filter, seal rings, and manual. Everything you need, right out of the box. No more wasted time or energy on spraying. Get the job done faster, easier, and better. Enjoy beautiful, healthy lawns and gardens effortlessly. Experience professional results with every spray. Ready to upgrade your spraying routine? Choose PetraTools HD4000 battery-powered backpack sprayer. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Spray smarter, not harder, every single time. Order now and feel the difference for yourself. PetraTools, where comfort, power, and reliability meet. Transform your spraying experience today.